Hello friends, today I am making egg puffs. So I have taken a pan with some oil, for making this stuffings. I am taking some onions lengthwise chopped. We need plenty of onions. And we need to saute it nicely. You can just put a lid on it and saute it. It has to become nicely mushy and change its color. That will give the taste and flavor to the egg puffs. This type of egg puffs are made in India. I will also be using some vegetables. I am making two types of puffs, egg puffs and vegetable puffs. So first I am showing the method for egg puffs. So I'm just covering it and allowing it to saute nicely. So by covering the pan, the process gets to be done quickly. I also have boiled peas which I am adding to the onions. I am adding chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and pepper powder, coriander powder. You can add everything according to your taste. Keep sauteing it nicely. In between you can just cover it with a lid and allow it to cook. Here I am adding tomatoes. Again mix it and keep sauteing it. It is almost done. Just give it 5 more minutes for sauteing. Here I am cutting the eggs, hard-boiled eggs, into half. My husband is using a different method of cutting it with a thread. This way it comes exactly half and it's nicely cut. You can see how it is cut, so perfectly and nicely cut. Just let me know how many of you use this thread cutting method. I usually do it with a knife. So here you can see the stuffing has been cooking, and now it is perfectly done. I'm just adding cilantro leaf. We just allow it to cool down. It has to be nicely cooled before starting the stuffing process. So here I am using the puff pastry. This is already cut, so I don't need to cut it. I can just use it. So I'll just flatten it a little with the rolling pin. So with one sheet we can use one puff. Make one puff. So after it is cooled nicely, I take a little of the stuffing, keep it on the strip, put half of the egg on that stuffing, and you can see how to fold it. And just using a little water so that it sticks together. You can just leave it like this also, and you can bake it. I am just folding it to close it, so we like it that way. And you can brush egg on it. You just beat the egg and take it in a brush and wash it on the top. So this way we are doing it. We like it this way, and I'm not brushing with the egg, so I'm just using it without the eggs on the top. So if you want a good glaze and a color, you can just wash it with the beaten egg. So here you see I'm just folding it 4 times. It's a very easy and quick process, easy snack. So like this we can fold all the egg puffs. And I also added some vegetables, carrots and capsicum or bell pepper, and I'll be making some vegetable puffs too. My husband likes egg puffs and I like vegetable puffs. That is the reason. So here we are folding all the egg puffs. I can just show one more. The corners we just put some water on it so that it is able to stick together. You can see how easy the process is. Folding can be done in different ways. So this is the basic egg puff I am making. So you can see here the first 2 are not done well. That was a trial. So others are done well. So I'll be baking it in an oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So here is the end product. You can see how nicely and crisp it is. So we will have a good snack with hot tea. I hope you like my videos and this recipe. Do try it and like it and share it to motivate me. Thank you.